Have you ever needed to deposit money into your kid's account or need to pay a friend back for dinner? If they are Spero members, you can easily do this with a member-to-member transfer. Here's how. Select Transfers. Then select Add Account. You will be prompted to enter an M2M code. This code links to the other Spero member's account. The other Spero member must set up this code and send it to you to enter here. The member can create this code by selecting Create Code. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Next, they will select the account they want you to transfer money into. They will enter an M2M code of their choosing. Lastly, they'll select Create Code. Once the member sends you the M2M code, go to Member-to-Member Accounts. Enter the M2M code provided and designate an account nickname. Once the account is added, it will appear in the new transfer screen within the To Account dropdown. You can initiate a transfer to move money into the linked account. It's important to note that you cannot withdraw money from the account. You may only transfer money into it.